Hello, it's Collector Sleuth here, and today I have Jasper and Jack with me, and we have some Baldi's Basics action figures. These came from Walmart. They're around about $13 a piece. We also picked up some Baldi's Basics mystery keychains, and so we're going to open these up first.
Yeah, because
here's a tear strip right there. So the first one we got is green. Oh man, these have an odor to them. There's actually a pretty strong odor to them as they come out the
smell.
Yeah, as they come out the packaging here. It smells like a new product. And anyway, here is a green Baldi.
Hold on.
I want the sock puppet.
We got the ultra rare one.
Is he? I don't know if he's rare or not. It doesn't say what. It doesn't say like a rarity level to these, like a 1 in 24 or anything like that. And what did you get?
I got Baldi.
You just got. Oh, I wanted the sock puppet.
I did. What does it smell like?
What's the sock puppet's name? Is it Arts and Crafters?
Yeah, Arts and Crafters.
Okay. And here is Baldi with his ruler here.
Oh no.
Just regular Baldi.
Here's the characters what you can get.
So here's the different ones you can collect here. There's Baldi, there's the Principal, there's Playtime,
First
the
prize.
Green Baldi, the Gotta Sweep.
First prize.
First prize. Another Baldi. Which Baldi did we get? We got this one. That's the one we got.
Wait, I think that's an old
sock puppet. Bully for coin.
This is the camping Baldi, right?
Camping,
yeah.
And here's a bully, yeah.
Oh, Playtime looks weird.
Yeah, it's Playtime. Okay. So these are the two we got. Green Baldi and
just don't do that.
just a Baldi smacking his ruler.
Sorry.
Let's see if I can see that better. You're pretty cute.
Usually, guys,
and you can hang these on like your backpack or wherever in your room on a clip, however you want to display those. Different things you can do with those.
Or hang them on your toys.
Hey guys, do you know? If you guys don't know what Baldi's Basics is, it's like it's a game. It's a horror game. It's a 3D horror game, but there's some things that are 2D in it.
Yep. Yeah, it's got some interesting, very simple design to the game. Anyway, here is the Action Figures Series 1. And on the back, it shows the different ones on here. There's two different Baldis. The principal of the thing. That's funny. And it's a bully. I don't see any Playtime or the Sweep guy.
I think they'll be in the second
Sweep.
one.
Maybe that might be what's going on.
So
first, I'm going to open this Baldi that comes with.
This one.
Want to do that one first? It doesn't really matter.
because it's happy.
Oh, the Happy Baldi.
Yeah, he starts
Here's happy Baldi. He's got where you answer the math problems.
Yeah, that's the 1.4.1 answer math problem.
And then a quarter. Oh, a quarter. Is it white in the game?
No.
I don't play the
it's
game. Sorry.
gray.
Oh, it's gray. So they made it white for whatever reason. But let's open this up. Hey, what's this picture up here?
That's Baldi.
I'm gonna open these. Carefully. I don't like to tear up the packaging. Probably hold on to the packaging.
You will.
Okay, let's pop him out of there.
What is this?
Oh, hello. Pink pad. Pink pad.
What is this?
That goes with these.
That came with the clips. They probably put those in there so you can't feel around and guess which one it is. Here we go. Here is Baldi with his this simple smile here before he gets angry.
Where's the quarter?
And I have the quarter here. It's got looks like a quarter with the eagle on the back.
You can also make him hold stuff.
George
I
Washington
think
on the
these
front.
were in Toy Fair 2019.
Yeah, but it is white
What was
in
that?
color.
I heard a bomb.
Whoa.
I heard a pop. Uh-oh.
Give me that. Give me that.
Hi, walk on the Baldi. Oh, these do not go in their hand well.
All right. So where's the next one? Oh, hey, you can hold that. Yeah. Here's the. Says you can think pad on it.
Yeah.
Everything's pretty detailed. It's got all the numbers and the.
Type in the numbers in.
Okay, let me see if I can't put this in his hand where you can see it. It does fit in his hand where he can hold it.
But it won't stand though. I don't think it'll stand. I think you have to put it like on a stand.
Yeah, it didn't come with the. It did not come with the stand, which would have been a nice feature. But
Jack
he kind
already
of does
opened
stand
one.
on his
Oh,
own.
Jack.
So I'm gonna put him back there. It's pretty cute. Next we're opening is the Angry Baldi.
Already opened it.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Here's the Angry Baldi. Got a frown face. And here's his ruler. This one actually comes with a ruler.
Wait.
Which is a very long ruler.
Oh, that's very long.
Yeah.
That's like
It's not really to scale.
That's like a yardstick.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty long ruler here.
Welcome to Baldi's
And
sword
here's the
stack.
time thing. What do you guys use this for in the game?
That
Here,
I
use
think
that
that-
ruler.
Wait, this is weird because like it doesn't have the
Put it in
blue
his
thing
hand.
around it. Like
yeah, they can't do too
You-
much
it
detail.
doesn't have a blue thing around it. That's kind of
People get
weird.
Baldi.
Okay, but what do you use it for in the game?
I think
I think it makes Baldi distracted. It's like
No,
my phone.
it makes
No, it
him
doesn't,
go
does it?
there.
Yeah,
I don't remember. We don't remember what the clock does in the game. If you guys know, let us know what the clock
It's like
does
when
in the
you
game.
spawn, it's big.
I don't know.
It does something. It helps you.
Can you move his hand?
Yeah, you can. Oh, yeah, he is articulated. His knees are too. They bend. Oh, they're really stiff, really.
That's focusing on opening stuff.
Bowling.
Yeah. So let's see if we can turn his hand around. Oh, I can't. Okay, his hands are not articulated. They pretty much stay put. Yeah, I wanted to put it like this, but
Don't break them, kids.
they do stand on their own.
Yeah, you have to like be lucky. Wait, Jack's open.
Oh, hey, wait a minute. We can put this in his hand too.
Can you?
Yeah, they all have these little handles on them. We can put it in his hand. There you go.
Why does the person have a bow tie?
Mommy, our ruler's on the bottom. He's mad.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
his face. Like upset. He's upset. He's upset.
We're
How
working.
we're
Let's
opening
get the bully.
Why does the beso look like a coffee mug?
Okay.
So the bee soda. The bee soda helps in the game push Baldi around and down the hallways. That's what the bee soda is. So it's a bee and it's a soda.
Why did it look
See
like
how good these
is
are.
that?
What's this?
Is that a notebook?
Is this some kind of? Is it? Oh, I bet it is a notebook. It just has a handle so they can hold it. Okay,
Oh,
here's
okay.
I think this is one of the notebooks that you collect in the game. The 7 notebooks. A blue one here, and I think this is just a handle so you can
There's
set it in the
another
character's
one over
hands. But he can't hold that, can he? 'Cause he's
No,
got-
he can't because he has big arms.
I mean, he kind of can, but you have to turn.
Oh, he's really,
Oh!
really big round
Oops.
body. Feel bad.
Okay. These joints are very delicate. Let me see if I can get that back on there. His arm broke off.
No.
Okay, yeah, you cannot force his hands. I would not force it. I'll put it on backward.
Here's the notebook, guys.
Almost lost the lock.
Well,
Ooh.
let's see.
You almost lost
Okay, here we
that.
go. Yeah, his arm pretty much goes this way. You can't really do much more with that, or it'll break off of there.
And the notebook.
But here's the bully. Come on, bully. No, he don't like to stand. He stands, but just barely. So here's the bully with his
It
mouth
looks
open.
like a coffee mug, the base soda, because of the handle on it.
He's a pretty simple character, just like he is in the game. And a whole
No
lot to
running in
him.
the halls.
Here's his, is this the beef soda? Is that what you said?
Yep, he's going to
Says,
push Baldi back.
Oh
It says
yeah.
restart, refresh, beef soda. Let's see if we can't get that.
I think it pushes Baldi back.
Yeah, this pushes him back. Yeah. Right? Yeah, this is one that pushes him back. Also has a little handle shape. Okay. I think these handled ones are really more designed for Baldi's hands than they are the bullies. He don't want to stand up.
Wait.
Yeah, you got. Nope. He's not going to stand this lane.
So just,
And
there's-
here's the green notebook.
no, that's comes with the principal.
Now it's the principal. He's got his arm up, but it does
Wait,
come down.
Where's the lock? Oh,
Here's the
And he's got his bow tie. He's in all black here, gray. Let's see what it looks like on the back. Oh, gray. It's supposed to be blue jeans, but the jeans are the same color as his
why does
shirt
he have
here.
a bow tie?
Does he not have a bow tie in the game?
No,
Does he not?
He might, and we just
Shows a bow tie there.
but showing the toy, not the.
Maybe he does
actual
have a bow
thing.
tie, and you just can't tell in the game because it's so pixelated. Right here. I don't know if he wears the bow tie in the game or not. You'll have to, guys have to let me know if there's a bow tie there or not in the game and we just can't see it, or we just missed
it's
it.
too pixelated.
Yeah, because he's supposed to have, I'm surprised they didn't do that with his face, make it more pixelated. I think that was doable. But anyway, here's the principal.
Here's the green notebook that
What's his hand look like? Oh, it's just a,
Here's
his other hand's just in a fist.
Here's the notebook. Here's the green notebook.
Healthy.
And this one's a green notebook. Here's
that's
the
the
blue one from the
G
previous
healthy
one.
Oh no.
I
Wait,
don't know.
here's the lock. I know
Oh,
what
yeah,
the
the lock.
does.
Yeah, you can lock
It
doors.
No,
Right.
I
Only
thought.
the yellow.
Oh,
Only the
I
yellow.
was thinking.
Oh, the yellow one.
I
Okay.
was thinking of the principal's keys, but it's not that.
Like principal keys.
It's been a while since we watched anybody play this game. Or have you played this game, Jasper? It's
Yeah.
probably been a little while. Can't remember
Also,
quite
there's
what
a
everything
new
does.
thing in the game.
Oh yeah.
A new update.
He doesn't like to
demo
stand on his
version.
own either. Hold on. Oh, he does have articulated knees. And these arms do move. And they are also articulated. Okay.
Okay.
Does his head move? It does go back and forth.
These guys' arms do not twist.
Let's see if I can get him to stand.
Yeah. Like that.
That's upsetting.
It'd be nice if these guys had a stand.
Yeah, like.
As far as like kids playing with them, maybe an older kid could, but these, with the articulations being kind of weak, I'm not sure how long they would hold up. Let's see what the age says.
Age.
We give it age.
It's age 14.
14 and up. Okay, so
Oh
it's
my
for
gosh.
so these are really collectibles then. What is that? Oh, that's the quarters. I don't know why they put pictures of the quarters up here in the corner.
They wanted to make it funny.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, there's different rooms and hallways. Like this is.
So
like,
these are probably more designed for display purposes for adults, but then I don't know why they didn't give them a stand, because they kind of need one, especially the bully and the principal. But yeah, overall, you know, they're pretty cute.
Guys, I wish Baldi can actually like move his little arm around
Oh,
so he
no,
can
against the wall.
actually play like the real game. So like Baldi like slaps his roller, and, like turn his arm, but he can't. So upsetting.
All right, so here they are. Here, let's get him
Wait,
up there too.
I'm gonna show you
Mr.
the
Frowny Face.
hallways. Like.
Get the
Hallways of
Keychains
the
kids.
game.
I know you can see enough.
Wait,
Keychains.
we
Oh,
can
it
put
has
the
a hallway in
hallways
there.
in the background.
That's where the bully spawns, I think.
We could put the hallway in the background.
There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, keychains. Yeah, just lay him down.
We can
Or
put the
will he
hallway in
stand?
the
Oh, that the green one stands.
stand,
Yeah.
Mama, I got a good idea. We could put the hallway in the
And
background.
there's the background of the packaging. It's
Hallway.
got the hallway there in the game. So anyway, that's going to conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's these really cute action figures. You can get them. Oh, they tumbled. That's okay. You can get them at Walmart for around $13 a piece.
Ooh.
I'm sure Amazon.com or some other places have them as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And thanks again. Bye.
Bye.